Oh, this song is an unfiltered, painful cry. Standing in the middle of struggle, the song calls out directly. Please come with money. At home there is hunger. It is not a polite request. It is the raw, desperate scream of a household that has run completely out of food and resources to survive. But listen to how the spirit shifts. Even in the deepest poverty, the song cries out, come, even if it's just blessings. It shows the incredible heart of our people. It reminds us that even when our pockets are empty and the cupboards are bare, love, presence, and prayers still carry enough warmth to keep a family standing.